Hello guys, welcome to Tech Hub Guy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to pin a message on your Telegram channel. Now, all you have to do is you have to go ahead and open your Telegram application, and then by doing so, you have to choose the channel that you would like to pin a message from. Let's say you would like to pin this message. Let's type that in. And you will just have to press on hold on the message that you would like to pin, like this one, and then click on pin. Just click on pin in here. So yes, that is how you pin a message on Telegram. You can also do it into different messages here. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.